You're using Table View to get a bird's eye view of your team's work, including details like task names, assignees, statuses, and dates represented by system fields. But what if your team also needs to track a budget, client name, campaign channel, or approval date?
With custom fields in TaskFord, you can add the information your workflow needs directly to each task.
Think of custom fields as additional columns displayed in Table View. Their values can be updated from the task details or from the columns. To create custom fields to capture project-specific information, click the plus icon on the right side of the table header, then select Custom Field to open the Custom Field section in Board Settings. Click to create a new field. TaskFord supports some custom field types. Use a text field for information such as a client name, channel, or short note. Use a number field for budgets, costs, quantities, rankings, or estimated effort. Use a date field for milestones, approval dates, or other scheduled events. Use a single select field when users should choose only one option from a predefined list. And use a multi-select field when a task can have more than one option, such as multiple campaign channels, regions, or service categories. For example, suppose you want to track the channels used for each campaign task. Enter campaign channel as the field name, then choose multi-select as the field type so that team members can select more than one channel when needed. By default, a field created from board settings is fixed to that board scope and is available to everyone who can access it. Next, add options such as email, social media, paid search, and website. You can also assign a color to each option, edit its name, reorder the options, or remove options you no longer need. Under Advanced Settings, make the field required when every task must include this information. You can also set a default value when new tasks should begin with the same selection. Use these settings carefully. A required field improves consistency, but an unnecessary requirement can create extra work for your team. Once the field has been created, return to Table View. The field now appears as a column where you can manage and update it. The custom field can also be managed and created from the site settings. Click your avatar in the right corner here, select Site Settings, and go to Custom Fields. From here, you can create a new field. Choose a broader scope, like multi-boards, instead of fixing it in a single board, or set it as global so every board in your site can use the same custom field. The Custom Fields page also gives administrators a centralized view of existing fields. Use Search to find a field, check its type and board assignments, and review whether it is required. Before changing or removing a shared field, check which boards use it so you do not disrupt another team's workflow.
With custom fields in TaskFord, your team can keep task data consistent and manage project details without leaving the board. And that's it for today. Start creating your custom fields and keep your projects organized and consistent with TaskFord.